You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome along. Today we're trying to get a real handle on how AI is just fundamentally changing, well, everything. Content, how we work, how products get built. We want to give you a bit of a shortcut to understanding these shifts.
Yeah, exactly. Our aim here is to unpack some insights from what we've been seeing across the industry, pull out some maybe surprising facts, and definitely some practical things you can think about.
Okay, so let's start with content creation. It feels like AI is just pulling it apart, unbundling it.
Totally. Think about it. Research, writing, editing, distribution used to be maybe one person or a tight team. Now AI can kind of slot into each step.
And that breaks the whole value chain, doesn't it? It means content itself. It risks becoming a commodity.
It does. And the really striking thing there is for traditional publishers, their whole model is often built on scale, the ad revenue. Suddenly, that looks quite vulnerable.
So the future isn't just about pumping out more stuff.
Not at all. It seems to be shifting towards the value of real community, direct relationships, things AI can't just replicate easily. It's almost like a return to intimacy in a way.
Interesting. And connecting that maybe to the bigger picture, this changes how we even interact with machines, right?
Massively.
Yeah.
We're moving past just using tools. The horizon seems to have these emotionally intelligent, personalized AI avatars.
Avatars, like really sophisticated ones.
Yeah, imagine blending voice, video. They'd have persistent memory, maybe even respond emotionally. They wouldn't just be for transactions. They could be almost like trusted companions, collaborators even, across loads of industries.
Wow, okay. That's quite a leap. But let's bring it back to today for a second. How's AI making work easier now?
Well, there are practical examples already.
Like, I was thinking about meetings. We all have them, trying to capture everything. It's tough.
Right. And now you've got tools like these new meeting recorder APIs. Nihilus has one, for example. Single integration.
And it handles recording, transcription, tells you who's speaking across Google Meet, Teams, Zoom.
Exactly. It joins the meeting, does the transcription, the speaker separation, automates stuff that took real manual effort before.
It's genuinely useful. And it's happening in engineering too, right? AI streamlining things.
Oh, definitely. Centralizing rules, cutting down test noise, improving code documentation, even helping chip away at tech debt. It's interesting, actually. Designing systems clearly for humans often makes them work better for AI, too.
Huh. Synergy there. But it's not all smooth sailing, is it? I hear people talking about death by tooling.
Yes. That's a real thing. Teams get swamped with too many different tools. Communication gets fragmented. Productivity actually drops.
So counterintuitively, the answer is fewer tools.
Fewer, but better, more comprehensive tools. And importantly, teams need to actually look at them regularly and ask, is this still adding real value? Streamlining workflows is key.
Okay, so with all this change, what does it take to build a successful product now? Sounds like the old ways are out.
Rigid plans.
Pretty much, yeah.
Success seems to hinge on flexibility. You need to constantly adapt based on what users are telling you, test your ideas really fast.
And it's not just about if the product is easy to use anymore.
Usability is table stakes. The product has to solve a genuinely valuable problem for people. That's the core.
Which sounds like where strategy comes in. A really solid product strategy.
Absolutely. That's your North Star. A world-class strategy clearly lays out your vision, who you're building for, how you position against competitors, what your measurable goals are, and crucially, your core value proposition.
And that connects the big picture to the day-to-day stuff.
Exactly. It lets teams adapt, learn from their experiments quickly, but always stay focused on solving those meaningful customer problems, not just chasing the next shiny object.
Right. So wrapping this up then, it feels like the future of how we work, create content, build products, it's all deeply tied up with AI. Adaptability, clarity, and maybe surprisingly, human connection seem key.
Yeah, that sums it up well. And maybe the final thought for you listening, in a world where AI is genuinely becoming a collaborator, what new skills might you need? Maybe it's prompt engineering, maybe it's something more like emotional intelligence for working with AI. What do you need to cultivate to really thrive?
Spoken tech for your ears.